Hi everyone, so I'm going to be sharing with you how I transformed my hair from a short TWA to where it is now. So the first thing that I did, is not in any particular order, but it's making hair butters. Now I make my hair butters myself, like I've never bought one. I use ingredients that are very, very easy to find, which are also good, like shea butter, cocoa butter, and oils. I also add Ayurvedic herbs to my butters. This particular one, I'm adding Indian herb. Now, butters are supposed to seal in your moisture, okay? But they are also moisturizing on itself, okay? Even though they do contain oils and stuff, they are great for moisturizing your hair. If you use a hair butter yourself, you are going to testify to the fact that they are also great for hair growth. And they are not only that, you can also use them as hair mask itself to deep condition your hair. It can be used as a pre-shampoo and also as an almighty sealant to make sure that the moisture that you're putting in your hair stays there for a number of days. And this has been so helpful and great to me because it's easy to find, it is accessible, and it is also effective. Okay, when you're looking for a product, when you're looking for something to add to your hair care regimen, you need something that is effective, something that actually works. You don't want to put something in your hair thinking it's going to do something, at the end of the day, like, it doesn't work. So that is one of the main things. And I cannot talk about butters without talking about oils. I made these herbal oils myself. I know there are some people are talking about no oils, no butters. That is not it for me. If I avoid no oils and no butters, my hair is just not going to thrive because I have the kind of hair that is just not so good. So I always need that extra stuff to help my hair going. So what I mostly do with these oils is I use them in my conditioners and stuff to give them that extra boost, because I don't like applying them directly on my scalp unless it's a pre-shampoo or a hot oil treatment. So that's how I use my oils and my butters to grow my hair. And the third thing is hair growth sprays. Now hair growth sprays, I cannot stress easily on them. I cannot stress enough of them because these are the stuff that I'm going to say are the primary things that have helped me grow my hair, using not normal hair growth sprays but using Ayurvedic herbs in my hair growth sprays. Ayurvedic herbs are so great for your hair. They provide your hair with so much nourishment and treatment, strengthening your hair, preventing antifungal and antibacterial infections in your scalp, and they are absolutely wonderful and effective. And one thing that I love about them is they are easy to apply. Like, as I cannot use butters and oils on my hair, on my scalp on a daily basis, I can spray these hair growth sprays directly on my scalp on a daily basis and be assured that I can get all of those good stuff, all of those good nutrients that they are providing every day on a daily basis in my hair. And this has helped my hair to grow very much, and it has strengthened my strands because I have the type of hair that if I ignore treating it for just maybe a week, you immediately start to know that it is getting fragile, it is breaking. I did not get the genes. So I did not get the genes for good hair, for longer hair. So I always need that extra application, extra stuff to make sure that my hair is strong and my strands are protected. And these hair growth sprays have done it for me. So I am here preaching that to you, do not ignore it. And the second thing, I'm just showing you guys how I apply my hair growth sprays before I deep condition and also directly on my scalp, and it has helped tremendously, and I'm here to preach that out to you guys. You should try that out. Now the fourth thing and the last thing is deep conditioning. Deep treatment masks, protein masks. I'm grouping all of that under deep conditioning. Hair mask, I cannot stress enough on hair mask, you guys. I cannot stress enough on hair mask. If I was not to deep condition my hair, I'm telling you, I wouldn't have gained even that 6 inches of growth per year. I wouldn't. That average 6 inches, much less 7 to 8 inches. No, I wouldn't be there. I make these deep conditioners with home ingredients like rice, oats, moringa, pear, carrots, banana. Those ingredients that are easy to find, that are mostly at home. And they are great. This particular method I'm applying now, I'm going to be linking all the videos down below to all the videos that I have been using in this video. This particular one is a protein treatment and also a deep conditioner. It is made with rice, oats, and moringa. Just 3 ingredients, and my hair is thick, but just look at how my hair is just lying down flat and everything. My hair always needs that extra strength to strengthen my strands, because if I keep this conditioner for about a month, I immediately start to notice way more breakage because, like I said, I don't have that good strong hair. So this has been very, very helpful for my hair during the course of my hair growth journey. I'm still learning as I'm moving on, but these are the 4 things that I've learned so far. There are others. These are not all the things that I do. Maybe I'm going to share the rest as time goes on, but these 4 things are just key. They are essential if you want long hair, if you want that hair growth, if you want that beautiful hair. I recommend these to you. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I hope you found it informative. See you in the next one.